I think everybody expects today speed. It's a must to be competitive, I think. We need to accelerate what we do because competition is fierce, innovation needs to happen quickly. We want to get ideas out there and test them. We don't want to invest everything into the idea and find it doesn't work, so we need to work iteratively. So that sense of speed and acceleration is massively on our agenda. If we buy into this sort of iterative, fast-moving culture and this iteration through ideas, then what that really does is it mitigates risk as well. It mitigates failure because your failures will be small and useful, and therefore you can really learn from things that didn't maybe work out. It's all comes at a speed, and so I think that agility is key to transformation, and I suspect maybe key to creativity as well in this new form of like test and learn and move fast. But the question still remains about how do you then make time to finesse an idea, and how do you then make time for craft? How you make time for that is the importance in all that speed.